basically, I want to do a new oven for myself here because it's too clunky for me. It was like in the beginning of my welding times, I really had no clue about welding. I still don't have any clue about welding, but I think it's too wide, and I could fit another couch here on the other side. So if I make it a little skinnier and taller, so I could make it more cozy for the winter time. So basically, I have to fix this too. I just check if there's everything all right in there. I just have to take these off, and I just want to make sure that the house doesn't burn down. But now it's basically, it's 92 centimeters, so it's about 35 inches deep. No, is it 92? No, it's 40 inches deep and wide, but I'm not going to measure in inches because I don't have an inch measuring tape. So, and I know here, the oven is basically 35. So I fit some rocks around it. If I take off here 10 centimeters and here 10, there's 20 less, and here's 70, so 50. If I get the pipes 55, if I get the frame 55 wide and not as deep, because I know it goes up to here. So let's do this, 55 wide, and I take here 20 off, and this is 90, 70 by 55. 70 by 55. I'll do the box 75 by 55 centimeters, so 750 by 550, so it's easy to measure. So then the height, I have to somehow figure out the height. I can use all these things. These I can reuse inside as like strengthening things, but I want new cage around it. I want it a little more sturdy because it's bowing out of here, and you have to put stuff in there, so I don't want to do it anymore. So I have to figure out the height. I don't know. I want to get that just about maybe 150. I think 150 high. So 150 high, 1,500 mil. It's always when I do something, the phone rings. Who is it? It's my construction guy. He was gonna do my new apartment I just bought, or new house I just bought, for investment. So 750, 550, 1500 mil. Then I need to figure out the box, and because I get it pre-cut, I don't want to have a machine. I just put it in and it's done. So basically, I need the front frame. That's now the math. I should have been in school a little longer. So basically, if this is the front for the oven, lid I don't need. Here's the pipe. Here's the oven. Here's the handle. Here's the thingy. I have a little bit of measurement. So it's 750 deep. This doesn't matter for that. I need 150 centimeters, and then I need the bottom to be, what was it? 550, right? Yeah. 55 centimeters for this one. So I need basically two. Look at this. That's my math. Now and then the cage I cut the same. So I need the cage cut to be 150 by 55 times 2, right? And then I need the cage is cut on the outside. I need 750. The outside, the side one, I need 750 deep. If this is the side of it, this is the side, this is the pipe here. Then I need for here, I need this to be basically, this needs to be 750, and this needs to be 150. And then I have the front, and I need times 2.
Times 2 and times 2.
Times 2 and times 2. Plus, I can use all this stuff here, what's left over. I can use that as strengthening for the height. But I want big pipes. I need like a big pipe. I need big pipes. So I need big pipes for that. Basically, I have those. That's the measurements. That's like me measuring. That's crazy. I'm gonna hide those. I'm gonna hide the evidence. So I have those, and I need 2 and 2 plus the cage, plus cage material welding stuff I have here. This one, and on top I don't need anything. Or maybe I put a metal plate on top. Wouldn't that be cool? Wouldn't a metal plate be cool on top, or is that stupid?
You gotta have a way to get the rocks in and out.
But I have to weld in place anyways, and then throw the rocks in. And then if I break it down, I have to cut it open.
Yeah.
But it's welded out of half-inch metal. I think in my lifetime it's not gonna be broken, so hopefully not. Oh.
All right, set, ready to go to the what do you call it? The metal supply guy and have him cut you some tubing.
I'm going to metal supply guy. I just have to figure out there on the spot what I need and what kind of piping is the best for it, for my skills. And if they cut at angles and stuff, so it's easy. Se juttu on se.
Ja 1500 on tuo.
Ja mä tarvin 2 kappaletta. Se on 4. Mä tarvin 2 ja 2. Takapuolen, etupuolen. Se on
eli sä tarvit näitä 4 ja
4 ja ala- ja yläpuolta 4.
Joo, eli molempia 4 kappaletta.
Joo, hei, se on kato eri kokot. Nyt mä näen sulle.
Entäs
mä tehdään näin kato. Se juttu on se.
Istu alas, istu alas.
Onko sulla
se 1500 tämä piti?
Ja se on korkeus. Kun se tuli semmoinen kivitakka.
Joo.
Niin mä heitän kiviä sisään.
Joo.
On se paperi täällä?
Ja tuoko on sitten 750
Syvä.
milliä.
Syvä.
750 milliä.
Ei, 750 milliä, kyllä.
Joo.
75 senttiä.
Joo. Eli
75 senttiä.
Joo. On siellä vuorokaluputkit on siellä ollut siinä.
Look at that, dude. Awesome. Look.
Tuosta lähdetään tuon liikenteeseen. Siinä on 30, 3 millistä, 2 vitosta. Siinä on 40.
Joo, pitää olla iso jo. What are you thinking?
Well, the top is about what you already. This is near what you already have, so I think you want to go a little bigger. You want this?
Mä veikkaan, mä odotan tätä.
Niitä on 3 ja
Joo.
Ja 30. Teetsisikö ne kaikki siitä samasta sitten?
Joo, kyllä.
Mä voidaan kääntää tämän leuvan näin, mutta tässä mikään asteikko, se on jää niinku meidän rahaa.
Se on 4. Mä laittaa siihen.
Katsotaan, kaustan leuvan pystyyn.
Joo.
Nyt otetaan se tappi ja tämä soittaa.
Katsotaan. Se on aika 4-3 näköinen, kato. Just about square, dude.
So much for no smoking.
Two pieces. Yay! That's like worse than giving birth, dude.
Alright.
But that's why I drive excursions. Oh.